So, if you follow my content online, you might remember a post last year about this property. The homeowner, our client, came to us with concerns about dampness affecting the vestibule and hall walls, and dampness and subsidence affecting the original entrance floor. Prior to our involvement, the client had taken advice from a specialist damp-proofing contractor who'd identified that dampness in the walls was rising damp due to the absence of a damp-proof course. A specialist floor restorer had also been involved and identified the problems in the floor were attributed to the floor's primitive method of construction and age. The client was quoted tens of thousands of pounds for repair. We were recommended to the client having undertaken lots of work in the local area. An initial assessment of the building was organised looking at the construction method, protection introduced and any moisture related problems. The issues identified throughout the vestibule and hall were not widespread, they were local but significant. The cause, identified via acoustic sounding and pressure testing, was due to an escape of water from the mains incoming water supply. Our initial inspection was quickly followed by a trace and locate survey, which identified the route of the water supply pipe and the leak beneath the hallway floor. A temporary repair was organised, whilst a water damage assessment was produced to highlight the damage caused by the event for the homeowner's insurer. This is a Grade 2 listed building, and as you'd expect, projects of this nature often take some time to come to fruition, and as such, I thought it only best to update you as our project now starts to come to a close. Now, we ensure that every one of our projects receives the care and attention to detail it deserves, and this project was no different. Concealment protective tenting clearly defines our working area and your home. The water damage plaster was removed, and the tiles to the subsiding vestibule and hall floors were lifted, cleaned and set aside for reuse. Meanwhile, a new slab was cast in place, and any damaged tiles beyond the initial affected area were again taken up, cleaned and set aside for reuse. Concealment tenting was installed, and a targeted, accelerated drying system was used to dry down the wet walls. The moisture content of the materials affected was closely monitored throughout the drying regime. Once everything had been certified dry, reinstatement could begin. Sympathetic lime plaster finishes were replaced, and the original architectural joinery was reinstated. The final task came down to reinstatement of that beautiful Victorian geometric quarry tile floor. A bit of time spent with the preparation and setting out, a quick spit and polish, and it was as good as new. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Dryfix. There's a reason we're Yorkshire's leading damp and timber specialists.